Hi guys, it's Mallory and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, I have an eBay store at Trendy Vintage Classic and now a fully running Poshmark closet at Trendy Vintage C because they cut me off after a certain amount of characters. But anyway, I sell on Facebook Marketplace also. I primarily focus on clothing and shoes and accessories. But I will take a look at anything that has value, such as textbooks and vintage items. So the main thing I wanted to talk about today quickly is custom SKUs on eBay. Now, I always attend like live shows on eBay from other resellers just to kind of chat with the community and learn and also share tips of my own. And one question I keep seeing the past couple of weeks is, should I be using the custom SKUs option on eBay? Is it worth it? It seems time consuming. And so guys, I just want to let you know, when I started using the custom SKU option, it was a total game changer for me. There were times, there's nothing worse than losing an item. There were times I would sell an item and get super excited and then couldn't find it and had to cancel it. It's only happened a couple times. Actually, one time eBay made the mistake of making a duplicate listing, but because I wasn't sure, I kept searching for the item anyway. So this kind of helps reassure you that, okay, this item was sold, because you can only look through the past few months of solds on eBay and know not to waste your time looking for an item. The other couple of times, I literally spent about 24 hours searching. So that was when I realized I needed a system going. And you know, when you become a reseller, it's a huge like process. And when you start small, you think like, okay, I don't need to do this. But actually, when I started, I'm going to show you, I'm in the basement and this is where I keep all of my items. It may not be as nice as some other storage places, but we as resellers, I know we're very resourceful people, and we start with what we have and we make it work. And so this is motivation to you that no matter what you have, my house is small. I work from home. I work out of my house. I work on the dining room table, and that's where I shoot my videos and take my pictures and have my stuff up there. But down here is where I store them. I do have a dehumidifier. I have purchased shelving, as you will see, and bins. I like to get my bins from Target so that they're all the same, and I label them alphabetically. And so when you do this, here goes some of my shoes. I do need to purchase more shoe racks. Shoes are not my favorite thing to sell, I have to say. Just cleaning them is time consuming, but there's money in shoes. We also have the coat rack. Coats are very lucrative also. So if you can, you know, find good winter coats, rear Patagonias, it's just super, anything that needs to be covered, I definitely make sure I am covering the items. So yeah, and then we have a couple of money piles here. We're not going to call it death piles, money piles. Let's start being more positive, because there's a lot of money sitting down there in those IKEA bags. The pink IKEA bag, that was a limited edition. That's my favorite. But anyway, let me get back to what I was talking about. So custom SKUs. I will show up above what that looks like and where you could find that option. It's under the item specifics, and you scroll down until you see the very last thing and it says custom SKU. Now you can put in anything you want there. So for me, since my bins are labeled alphabetically, I would put an item in, say, the D bin. So for example, if an item sells and it says E, I would just come down here, grab my bin, open it up. Everything is in plastic. Search for it, grab it, say it was this New Balance shirt, and there we go. It's right there. it takes me literally a couple of seconds to grab my sold items. And then especially now with my Rollo printer, even quicker to ship. These were things that really changed my reselling business because time is money, guys. So if you can get yourself organized with a bin system, if you can use the custom SKUs, and I know if you've already started and you have like 400 items or more, it will take a day. If you just power through it, put on some music, it could take a couple of days to really get everything labeled, but it's definitely worth it. It'll save you time daily, and that's what's important as a reseller. And you know, we are resourceful, as I said, so I like to take advantage of anything that is worth it. And this is a free option on eBay. You don't even have to own a store. Anything that's free, take advantage of it. So they're basically organizing your business for you. So whether you do this part-time, full-time, as a hobby, it's something that could save you time and just make your life a whole lot easier. Like I said, take my advice. I've been reselling for a while, and this is definitely something that has saved me a lot of frustration. Sometimes tears, you know, I can get dramatic in time. So yeah, that's just my tip for today. I've already pulled out my items that need to be shipped. I could have done that with you guys, but anyway, you don't need to see that. You can just get to work on your own system, and good luck. So thank you so much for joining today. Please subscribe if you found this helpful and like the video. Comment below what you're doing for your organizational system, if you use custom SKUs, and if it's been helpful for you. Bye. Catch you next time.